Fuck! You didn't have to do that!
Let's get going! There'll be time for grieving later!
Yeah, you got that right.
Move!
I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves. Oh, fuck, you hear that? Sirens!
Fuck the cops! T, hit the shutter switch!
What's this? Local resistance?
It ain't supposed to go down like this.
It never is! Come on, go!
Get down!
They answered the wrong call!
Move! 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 Move!
Wrong profession!
Get in their faces!
What the fuck is this?
Get out of the way or suffer the consequence!
I ain't laying down for them!
Come on, guys!
Get out of the way!
Dumb fucking cops!
Drop it, prick!
You're done! Blame the pricks who called you out here!
Get out of here!
You shouldn't have been a cop!
We bring it to them!
We got a window. Let's go. Cars up here. Let's go.
Move! Come on!
The kid might have failed. This wasn't in the job description. Get to the car!
He better be there!
Let's get out of here!
Let's move it!
What took you so long?
Shut the fuck up and drive!
Woo! Did you see that shit? I fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that?
Yeah, you're a real stout.
Fuck! How'd that happen? Go! 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 Jeez, I think they're gonna... Oh, fuck!
Local yokels spotted!
Guy's a dick!
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Come on, let's get to the chopper! We move quick, we can beat the train!
Cops! Coming our way!
Be cool! They ain't made this car yet!
We're getting there!
Shit! 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 Roadblock!
Go right! Beat the train, man!
You guys all right?
Fuck! Come on! ditch the car, all right? We can go this way to the chopper.
No, hey, stick to the plan.
What?
Stick to the fucking plan. Come on. Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck. I'm gonna check around back. Ah!
Oh, it's a fucking bed! Someone must have fucking talked!
Alright, Brad's gonna be fine. We gotta get the fuck out of here. I'm hit. Oh, Jesus. T, you gotta get out of here.
I ain't gonna leave you, Mikey!
Go! God, I'm not gonna be fucking gonna bleed out. Go.
No! You fucking cocksuckers! Die, you cocksuckers! I'm standing here! Finish me! Kill me, you pricks! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Stay back! You come near me! She's fucking dead! Stay back! Go! Go!
Was not always a good husband, not always a good citizen. He did not die a hero's death, but he was a man. Our Lord was crucified with 2 thieves, so perhaps we should not judge. We are born of sin, and we die in sin. And in this, Michael was like anybody else. Father, we do not know your infinite mysteries, but we know that you will show mercy to our friend.
Your son, James. He's a good kid.
He's a good kid? A good kid? Why? Does he help the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our standard for goodness, no wonder this country's screwed.
And what about you?
What about me? Hey. I don't have the advantages that kid has. By the time I was his age, I'd already been in prison twice. I robbed banks. I ran whores. I smuggled dope.
And you consider them achievements?
These were the opportunities I had. At least I took them.
And where did these opportunities get you, Michael?
They got me right fucking here. The end of the road. With a big house and a useless kid, and I'm stuck.
Come on. Shit, come on. Damn, this nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga?
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real, homie. Damn, this motherfucker got robo-roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
Man, you gotta grind to keep that shit. Now it's back on us.
Hell yeah, I wanna see what it do. Hey, hit me on the speakerphone, Long.
Oh, it's like that? For sure, homie.
87 if you ain't gon' give it, motherfucker, I'ma take it. Wanna try to erase it, just to bring home the bacon. For me,
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
What? I hear you.
hit your raw day shit, facelift traces, and some cases. Hitting up the witnesses, so they know.
Man, shit. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good.
Guns are in the trunk. Think they couldn't get us? Never. The white OJ in the hallway.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Up here, through the studio. Let's show these movie people how we do.
Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Down this dirty motherfucker.
Shit, cool, homie.
Keep busting, low.
Yeah.
Left here.
Fine.
Come on, Frank.
Hey, I'll come at you from the shoulders, homie.
Oh!
Let's support single moms out there. Make sure you visit your local store.
I'm thinking left.
All right.
Ha, loco. Any ticket we get gonna go on that fool license.
Well, in that case, we might as well enjoy ourselves.